Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a problem that many C++ developers face when trying to combine the new deducing feature with a curiously recurring template pattern, CRTP. The problem at hand involves managing a collection of derived objects in a semi-polymorphic way, all while aiming to steer clear of traditional virtual functions and dynamic allocations. It's a bit of a puzzle, but fear not, we've got some solutions up our sleeve. Now, let's talk about the solution. When it comes to handling heterogeneous types without the overhead of dynamic allocations and virtual functions, your best bet is either a vector of variance or a tuple of vectors. The former provides a way to store different types in a single container, while the latter involves having separate vectors for each type. For a more optimized approach, you can look into designing a slimmer vector of variance to reduce space overhead without compromising contiguity. Remember, it's all about finding that balance between performance and flexibility. In summary, tackling the challenge of polymorphic behavior in C++ without relying on traditional virtual functions requires some creative thinking. While deducing this in CRTP won't directly solve the problem of having a vector of CRTP types, options like variance and tuples offer ways to achieve type erasure and heterogeneity. Just keep in mind the trade-offs in terms of memory usage and performance, and don't forget to measure the impact of any optimizations you apply. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!